Kaunti ma Kisii obuogo mar bago ng'anyo ponono ni piny owacho okogolo omenda michwalo e okumba mar thieth. Jotelogo mane loso Bonchari Kisii okoni ok en gima ber ka jopuonj yudo pek mar yudo thieth e kinde ma dwe ka dwe ting'adogi osara magi. Magi biro e kinde mar riwruoge ariyo mag ute mag thieth mag ji giwegi kamoting'o Rufa bende ochungo thieth ne jotuo matiyo kod okumba mar thieth mar SHA. Riwruoge gi ywak ni okumba mar thieth mar SHA ni kod gopegi mohewo siling bilion 30 mag okumba mag thieth machon mag NHIF.
Kulinda maslahi na matibabu ya walimu na askari. So as teachers of Kenya, we are giving our government a last warning, and we are giving it a notice that if within the next 1 week the government does not release the funds that are required to safeguard the health care of the teachers of this country, we will down our tools. We will advise all parents not to take their children to school because we shall not be there. The police also, we will be asking the police to join us so that we push the government to prioritize the health of its workers. It is shameful that the government can withhold money meant for the health care of the Kenyan workers. It is shameful that Rufa has suspended services to even the common mwananchi because the government has failed to release funds. As the union KUPPET, representatives of Kenyan teachers, we are putting the government on notice that we shall be calling for a special strike this time, not to push for money as salaries, but to push for safeguarding healthcare of Kenyans and healthcare